We're doing a new type of adventure.
I have no sense of direction in any capacity.
It's like the Blair Witch Project.
She's bold.
Some people are lumberjacks. I'm a little bit more of a lumberjoke.
It's going to be a long process, this compound.
As we stepped onto the rolling hills of the property we now called our own, our day began with a sense of excitement and anticipation.
We're doing a new type of adventure. An adventure of the Benson compound.
We are officially owners of property that we are going to make the Benson compound. And so today is our very first day at the property with this brand new adventure. And we have the new plat that we split it up into three different, what do you call those? 3 different lots so that everybody has some property. And we are now, the surveyor has come out here and we are getting to actually put out all the stakes and see where the lines are. This is so exciting.
Armed with little more than a plat and a handful of stakes, we set out to embark on a journey that would soon transform our dreams into reality. Kenzie, eager as ever, ventured to claim a piece of paradise on the side of the hill for her and Sean, envisioning a grand house with mountain views on all sides.
So this is my future property. And right over here is where we're going to have the house with a basement. And we have a gorgeous view and I'm so excited.
Taylor and Eric, with hearts full of hope, discovered their own slice of heaven, already imagining the laughter and joy that would fill their future dream home.
This is our land. We're gonna build a house here, and we are so excited.
Very soon.
And then there was Kevin and I, finding ourselves perfectly situated between the two families, a spot that felt just right for us. Through rocks and thickets of brambles we trudged, our eyes scanning the landscape for the elusive pins that marked the boundaries of our land.
So you can see everywhere the surveyor put a pin into the ground and then flagged it so we could see where it was, because where you think things are, there's a pin right there. We would never have found that. Where you think things are and where they actually are, not even close. Okay. So the creek is our property line.
Oh, they're all in it.
Get out of that. Come on. Like on my noses? So we'll just keep following the branch. I learned this recently, that a little stream is a branch. I thought when it said there's a branch on the property, there was a branch on the property. I didn't know a branch was water. All right, so we've made it to the corner. And so you can see there's a pin over there that was already here, and then we have some pins coming up here. So we're gonna add those posts in there so we can always see it.
It wasn't long before we realized that some of us were a bit directionally challenged, but our determination and enthusiasm spurred us on.
What we're looking at right now, this line.
No, because that line goes that way.
I see a pin
What
in
line
the
is what
wood.
way?
This line, so it goes up. I don't know. Let's figure it out. We'll just.
Go from pin to pin. Just confused.
I have crusty lips and I have no sense of direction in any capacity.
See this? This is the big.
This will be Ironton Town. And then the other one across the creek is Ironton Town.
You're just so disoriented out here.
It's like the Blair Witch Project.
As we navigated the terrain, we stumbled upon unexpected treasures hidden amidst the foliage. Reminders that this land held secrets waiting to be discovered.
Okay.
And then
We used to have a deep.
Yeah, you know, we need to look at.
Like these are old like real estate signs.
Is that a gun holster?
pick it up.
No, don't touch it.
No, touch it.
This is like a ladder from an old deer stand.
Is that a gun holster?
Oh, this might be.
She's bald. Kenzie, look at yourself.
We also took some time to reflect on the many rules that awaited us.
It's the county. It's like a law. thing. You have to get like a special permit to clear more than an acre with churning the topsoil. But you can bush hog it and keep the roots of the tree, and it's something about like soil drainage.
You pretty much have to have a permit to poop. Like, literally, you do have to have a permit to poop because you have to have a permit to have a porta potty out here and to have a septic. So you really do have to have a permit to poop.
Yet, despite the challenges, we pressed forward, driven by the shared vision of creating a place where our families could thrive and grow together.
Well, at least do this. Let's put a let's put a flag right here. That's a good idea. Well, see, they were thinking that was it when they told us, so that's not.
Finally, after hours of exploration and perseverance, we stood together at the edges of our newfound territory, the boundaries clearly marked and the future stretching out before us like an open road.
We've officially walked the entire perimeter of our property, which is super exciting because we never knew where it was.
The dogs are having a full-fledged sumo wrestling match behind you.
And in that moment, we knew we had to mark the occasion with something special, a symbol of the journey we had undertaken together and would continue to take.
Okay, we now have found all of our property lines, and we are going to do the first tree of the property. We're cutting down a tree. We're going to do the first tree of the property. Taylor, what did you say? Nothing. You can't see me like this.
Luke Danes, ladies and gentlemen.
Surfer Boy's back.
Some people are lumberjacks. I'm a little bit more of a lumberjoke.
It's going to be the first ornament for this year. We're going to make a Christmas tree. We're going to make a Christmas ornament out of the first piece of wood off the property. That was Kenzie's idea. It's going to be a long process, this compound. And this was our first purchase for the compound, a chainsaw.
Okay, we are about to take down the first tree of our property. It will be the only tree that we take down, but we're gonna take down a tree.
Watch out!
So this is my property,
And I'm Sean.
and we are about to cut down our first tree and get an ornament from it.
It is finished.
With a sense of unity and purpose, we christened our land Be Free Acres, a name that spoke to our shared hopes and dreams for the future. And as we stood there, we couldn't help but feel a sense of excitement for the adventures that lay ahead.
So, we are now going to be exploring a whole new type of adventure. So sometimes your adventures take turns that you don't expect, like you didn't expect to be building a house.
We're building a house very soon.
Or buying property.
After 2 months married.
You just never know. So don't limit your adventures. Make your adventures whatever comes. Don't be afraid to try new things and have a really cool adventure. We're gonna bring you guys along for the ride to see some of our adventures as we explore this entire new thing.
Join us as we embark on this new and exciting chapter of our lives, building our family compound from the ground up and turning our dreams into reality.
For more videos like this, go ahead and click on the playlist. You can also check out our website at www.befreebenson.com.
Don't forget, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe.
And as always, doing crazy stuff all over the place. Doesn't matter where it's at. Allows you to be free.
Be free.
See you in the next video.
I don't know what
Where's
my hand
Coda?
was doing. I was like,
Okay.
All
right, let me get the GoPro. You can take that off.
I went.
Welcome to Bee Free Acres, where every day holds the promise of something extraordinary.